So you have already mounted your TV onto this ZeboZap TV mount, and you are now going to remove your TV. So is it really hard to actually remove this TV? Let me show you. Let me show you guys. All right, so here I'm just going to use my finger, all right, to remove the bottom screw. Just my hand, man, because this bolt actually is okay. We have an innovative solution for this. Look at this. Okay, so then you just loosen the two top bolts a bit, you know, to just make sure we can just slip out this TV, and then remove the bottom screw, and then just lift up the TV, and there you go, your TV is actually out from the mount, right? And then you have two choices right here. Number one, because this is outdoor rated, you could actually leave this outdoors. The rain is not going to affect the quality of this TV mount, so you do not have to worry. But if you want to remove this, it just takes a few seconds and just two fingers, right? Two fingers, and then you just you see this pin right here, pull the pin and clicks out, and then just remove the top one, and then the bottom one, and then the top one. And now TV mount is out from the pillar, no holes, nothing, no damage to the pillar, and you're done.